The Techno Spark Go 2023 comes up with a 13 megapixel main camera, 5 megapixel selfie camera, 5000 mAh battery with a 4GB RAM, 64GB internal storage. It also comes up with an Android 12 with a skin of iOS 12. It uses a chipset of Mediatek Helio A22 12nm with a quad-core 2.0 GHz Cortex A53. The Techno Spark Go 2023 has the price of 3,499 for 3GB RAM, 64GB internal storage, and 3,699 for 4GB 64. Thank you so much guys for watching my videos, and if you want more, please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for more updates sa mga coolmates. See you in my next video.